Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2020 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe 2LT Z51 on torch red with adrenaline red leather and black interior. So we'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle. We'll let you have a look at the trunk area. So here's the Targa top, which is color matched to the vehicle. It's in nice condition, as you can see. Fits nicely here in the trunk area. Clips in up the top. There is the cargo netting there just behind it as well. Here's the motor in front, which is the V8 6.2 liter motor, 495 horsepower. And that's paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission with a dual clutch. It's got the edge red engine cover there, looks great. And the valve covers are done in red as well. And we'll go ahead, we'll close the trunk lid. It does have soft close, so I'll simply press and it will pull itself shut. We've got the carbon flash metallic badge package, carbon flash around the rear window there. We have the reverse camera that's just there. That's built into the rear view mirror, which I'll show you on the inside. From the back, we've got the carbon flash metallic Z51 style spoiler. We've got the LED tail lights. We've got a reverse camera just above the license plate there. And we've got rear cross traffic alert by the little sensors here that are built into the bumper. It's got dual exhaust with NPP Performance Exhaust. So there's 2 ports there, 2 ports on this side. What the NPP does is when you change the setting, you can make the exhaust louder or quieter based on your selection. So we'll just shift around this side here. I'll let you have a look at the rear wheel. So it's got the nice carbon flash wheels. We've got the edge red Z51 calipers and nice Michelin tires. Along the bottom, you've got the rocker extensions. And on the passenger door panel, we've got the nice red baseball stitching. We've got the adrenaline red accent, Bose Performance Series stereo. We've got 2-user programmable memory for the passenger, power windows, power locks, and electronic door release. Here's the kick plate on the passenger side. In terms of condition, it's in pretty good condition. A couple little minor marks on it. We'll go ahead and polish it. We'll make it look the best we can for you. For a power seat, we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar and side bolster adjustments. And I'm just going to go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. Awesome. So as we get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy. We'll check out the glove box. So in the glove box, we do have the books. These are vents here, just beside the button to release the glove box. Nice red baseball stitching and red accenting on the upper portion of the dash. Looks great. So we'll just hop out and we'll close this side up. So on this one, we've got the Z51 mirror holder as well as, carbon flash mirror holder as well as carbon flash mirror cover. We also have blind spot monitor built into the mirror. So we'll just step to the back here and I'll scan along this side of the vehicle so you can see the condition. Really, really nice looking car. And at the front, there again is your carbon flash wheel, edge red Z51 caliper, and nice Michelin tires. So we'll shift around to the front. So here's your front trunk. We've got the added brake cooler pieces there that could be put on if you wish. We also have the cargo netting for holding items in place. We've got a 12-volt socket there, and we have the washer fluid top up. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the trunk lid, and we'll just have a look here from the front. So we've got the nice black housing, LED headlights, LED turn signals. We've got nice carbon flash accents there. We've got a nice lower lip spoiler. There's a front curb view camera there, and another one here on this side. And in terms of condition, I'll just take a close look and see if there's any stone chips or anything. So overall, it looks pretty clean. Having a hard time finding anything here, so not a bad problem to have. So nothing that I see. Oh, what's this? One little guy right here. It doesn't look like it's entirely through. It's the size of a pinhead, and there's another one, little tiny one right there. So 2 little stone chips, no big deal. We'll touch them up and we'll carry on here to your other wheel. So there it is, nice carbon flash wheel, edge red caliper, Michelin tires, and same thing here on the back. Fantastic. So let's move up to the driver's side door. So at the driver's side door, we do have our power mirrors, power folding mirrors, power windows with automatic operation. We've got the Bose Performance Series stereo, memory for 2 users, and a programmable Alexa button. The memory will work for the steering wheel, the seats, as well as the mirror settings. Down here below, we have power locks, electronic door release, and our front and rear trunk release with a nice little pocket for storage. Here's the kick plate on the driver's side. So there is some scuffing on the plate. We'll go ahead and polish it, make it look the best we can for you. For our power seat, we've got power 4, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. Fantastic. So let's hop in. As we get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy, and we'll get in, we'll fire this one up. There we are. So in terms of kilometers, we have 5,843, nice and low, no warning lights or issues there on the dash. Over here we have our Z button, which opens the exhaust ports and changes some other settings. Down below we've got cruise control, favorites or track change for the radio. On this side you got volume controls. Up here are arrow keys, which will show you works some settings on the dash, trip computer, performance, audio, maintenance, options, and simplify. Here is your heated steering wheel. I'll just refocus the camera there. Heated steering wheel, voice command and telephone answer, telephone hang up, paddle shifters plus and minus on this side. Nice red baseball stitching on the steering wheel with the red center point. Great looking steering wheel there. And I'll just show you here on the windscreen, we do have a heads up display, so we can move the image and we can change the information that's displayed on the screen, so that's great. We can change the brightness as well. So those buttons are just right here. Below that we do have dash dimmer and parking brake release. Here is a tilt and telescopic steering column, and then over on this side you got push button start, and here's our radio. So you got audio, which is AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, USB in. We've got telephone controls, navigation, so there's your full factory navigation. And if we go back, we can set up users, settings. You got Apple Carplay and Android Auto, OnStar services, so we'll click that. There's some OnStar services, cameras, so front curb view cameras, reverse camera, front cameras, and then you can change to a different view, turn the lines on and off. So lots of settings there. PDR, so we'll click that. This is your performance data recorder. So there's actually a camera just in front of the rear view mirror in that socket there, and you can place an SD card in the glove box and record your driving. So very neat feature. We'll go back here. So down here you've got a quick button for the cameras, traction control on and off, your gear selector, and then our mode selector. So when we twist the mode selector, you just twist it like that. I'll go all the way to the end here. We've got track, we've got sport, we've got touring, my mode, and you've got a weather option as well. And then of course if we hit the Z button, we get Z mode as well. This is your climate control. So right now it's set to low, but it's actually a numeric temperature that you set it as. Cooled seat, which is nice. Automatic climate. You can sync the two zones. So if I hit sync here, you can see this is 20 and that's 20 as well. So this is passenger heated and cooled seat as well. In here we've got the cup holders. There is 2 keys with the car, remote start as well. And there's your rear view mirror camera. There's your rear view mirror. So that's pretty neat. And then OnStar built in as well. In here we've got 2 USB ports, auxiliary line in, and the navigation SD card. That's a wireless charger for your phone. And here's a view from the inside of the motor. Very neat. So now we'll just hop out with the running. We'll have a look and listen. Awesome sounding machine. Never gets old. Absolutely love the tone of the exhaust on this car. So I'll just show you here from the front, the headlights. There it is, very nice design, nice bright light. And we'll just move along this side of the vehicle so you can see the condition. Fabulous condition, as you can see. Here it is from the back. Great sound. Have it, folks. 2020 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe 2LT Z51 here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.